If you want to learn how to do online data entry work, I'm going to tell you all you need is an experience in cold calling, inbound calls, outbound calls, customer service. You must know how to work in an office environment. Work from home as a data entry is a little different because you're not working in the office. But I'm going to give you 10 work from home data entry where you can use these experiences that you have right now. Number one is called Ragnarok Incorporated in New York City, and you're going to be a junior email developer. You must have an understanding of email code structure and know how to make code responsive for different devices. Direct coding experience. Hold on. Knowledge of PHP or Python. Full-time position. That's for number one, Ragnarok. Number two is Park Firm in New York City. Remote sales. You're going to be working from home. So what they call that is remote. And that's one of the fields for how to do online data entry work from home. You have to know sales. And this one, you must develop a thorough understanding of the Park's products and services, effectively communicating these offerings to potential clients. So they might sign up, but you got to know about their products, about Park Firm products. Cold calling experience a plus. And you could work from home or in office. Number three is called RO, R-O, in New York City. Care Team Associate. Part-time position. Field and respond to member inquiries across the channel via phone, live chat, and email. Night or weekend a plus. Familiar with multiple social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit. Popular one is Instagram. Twitter is very popular. If you're familiar with those, this job is definitely for you. And this is the data entry. This is how you do online data entry work by learning about the social media platforms for this particular job. Number four is called Amazon. Amazon is hiring, y'all. Amazon.com. And this is only a seasonal customer service for the season, like probably for the holidays coming up. Well, like Easter. Commitment to work when customers need you the most. Shifts include morning, weekends, afternoons. Whenever they need you, you have to be ready for the call. And all you need for this position is a high school diploma. Number four is natural health and Sherpa. 50 to 70,000 a year. You will work directly with the senior operation managers at the senior quality control manager to drive products to completion as they scale up rapidly. Growing catalogs of products and projects. So they have their own catalogs, and you're basically going to do sales. And it's a highly competitive salary, which is $70,000 a year. That's pretty awesome. Must know the MS Office. 5 years of knowledge of the MS Office for the computer. MS Office is one of the instructing things that they put on the computers, like a software. So if you're familiar with that, you can make up to $70,000 a year. Number 5 is Alta Vista Insurance Agency, and this is in Vista, California. Customer service rep, full-time position. Frontline inbound and outbound call, answering and greeting people over the phone, selling their products. Good spelling and written grammar. That's all the experience that they want. Good spelling and written grammar. Number 6 is big thinkers. Science, Big Thinkers Science in Atlanta, Georgia. I have all of them all over the world in the United States. I look for everything because we all need a job. Even working from home is the best. This is Big Thinker Science, Atlanta, Georgia, $13 to $15 an hour. It's a part-time position, and you must have a savvy customer service skill or prior experience in a call center environment. 1 year in call center customer service. 1 year, that's all they want. Number 7 is Exxon, Xincon, United States of America. Bilingual Chinese customer service. So this is a bilingual, like a basic tutoring job. You're going to be working closely with caregivers and patients, nursing staff. Your goal is to provide a seamless customer service experience, and you must be fluent in speaking in English and Chinese with the patient, caregivers, and the nursing staff, because they need somebody fluent in Chinese and English, because you're going to be a basic like interpreter for the company. Number 8 is called UNUM, UNUM, bilingual customer service rep. Full-time position, demonstrate customer service experience and or experience in a customer service oriented environment. Computer proficiency is essential. Detail oriented with a focus on quality and consistently meeting goals. Not just be stagnant, to keep going up, up, up. That's what they want. They want you to be a self-starter and a go-getter. If that's you, the job UNUM is for you. Number 9 is called Southeastern Technology Specialists in Manning, South Carolina. Call center agent, part-time position, $8 to $10 an hour. The ability to work hours of a call center atmosphere, including weekends as needed. So if they need you for the weekend, even though it's part-time, you could probably just be working for the weekends or a couple of days out the week. It's like whatever they have that's available, they're going to call you. Pass all proficiency requirements. Number 10. I hope y'all stay with me, y'all. Hope y'all with me. Number 10 is Newton Group transfers in Mesa, Arizona. $10 an hour. Appointment setter. You're going to be an appointment setter. Work on the inbound and outbound calls. You're going to be doing sales. Full-time position. Weekly and monthly bonuses. So on top of you getting $10 an hour, you're going to be getting weekly and monthly bonuses depending on your job, depending on how much you set out and how much appointments you make, how much sales that you make, and you could get bonuses if you make sales and make calls and get people to sign up. You can get weekly and monthly benefits. And those are the 10. And I wanted to bring these to you because I know, it's rough out here. And I know people need jobs. Working from home is the best thing you can do from, work from home and online. And I just wanted to show you how you can do data entry at home just by having the experience of data entry, customer service, inbound, outbound, cold calling, exceptional customer service, good grammar. That's how you can become an online data and work from home and make your own, make money from home, comforts of your home. And that's what I wanted to tell you. And, share the video. It might help somebody. Share the video. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever social network that you have, and you feel that this is necessary to share and help somebody get a job and make up to hopefully $50,000 to $70,000 a year. Share the video, and and if you are looking for a web hosting company to start your very own website, or you want to start your own blog, sign up. Just consider it. Sign up at Bluehost. It's a web hosting company. And if you sign up today, I, Joanne, will get a commission. If you clicked on the affiliate link and you actually sign up, I will get a commission. So sign up. So consider signing up so we can help each other out. You can have an awesome website and I can have a few dollars in my pocket. It's real out here. And I thank you for the hustle, for, helping me out. Just considering coming to my channel, that means a lot to me. So I wanted to just bring these 10 data entry jobs and just to show you how you can do data entry online and get paid. Like what skills you need, simple skills. Like I said, cold calling, customer service, typing, like light typing. If you know how to type and you have good skills like customer service and you have good speaking skills, then one of these jobs are definitely for you. And they said data entry is like the low end. I don't believe that. I think data entry is definitely coming up, and they have so many data entry jobs. I think I did. I usually do like 3 work from home videos. This is like my 4th one for this week because there's so many data entry jobs, and I just want to get them out there to you guys, my subscribers, and any potential subscribers, to let you know that they are out there. These jobs is coming. Sometimes I have so many that I have to put on other paper, and it's just so many, and I like that. But my passion is to bring jobs to you. That's all I want. I want you to gain employment from home, online, do data entry, have blogs, have your own website. That's what I want for you. And I want you to know the passion that I have. And I do videos every week. Every single week I do work from home videos. Work from home and ways that you can gain money. Doing surveys. Have Android app. I have Android app. I have a couple of videos of Android apps that you can make money like that too. I'll do that. I'll put that one on the bottom and click on that and check those out too, So don't forget to sign up at Bluehost so you could get your awesome website, your very own website, and you get you have your own email address, your private email address, or you could have your own blog. Start your own blog. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $3 a month, $2.95 to $3 a month. How awesome is that? If you sign up today, I will get a commission. So we're helping each other out. I'm bringing you some valid information, and you are hooking me up. You are helping me out with my channel. I want to tell you I appreciate you. And don't forget, y'all, thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button so you don't miss nothing. You don't miss any of the videos that I do each and every week. Brand new videos off the press. I do them every week. I don't wait. I do them every week. Sometimes I do 3, sometimes I do 4, but I do them every week. If I even do 2, every week is fresh videos. I do every week. So look for me, and don't forget to hit that big like button and subscribe to the channel so you can have the fun of coming to my channel, because I have the jobs and I want you to gain employment from home. All right. So thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you so much, and have a great and wonderful day. Stay blessed. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye.